Julie and Sean called at my daughter's house, whom I'm staying with, and they told us all about it, and I was interested in it, and started coming here from then, met some lovely people, and got friendly with them, and it's somewhere to come.
You've also been to the tea dances, so you have.
Oh,
so
yes.
You usually go along with your friends.
I look forward to them because I love back dancing. And when you go there, although you maybe can't get up and do it, in spirit you're there and you enjoy the music. So it's a good thing really to have that, and it reminds you of when you were young.
Yeah.
Well, I came to Royal Kirk and enjoyed it, and I still come, and I come Tuesday and Thursday. And like that you're meeting a lot of people and meet people that I hadn't seen for years. So I enjoy every time I'm there. I heard it through your voice. I heard it that way, and I keep in contact with your voice quite a lot, so I like to know what's going on.
The nectars came up and seen me at the house and tried to convince me that I was doing the right thing by going, and they were right. So it took a wee bit of time thinking it over and pussyfooting about. But
You were stuck in the house every day, weren't you?
4 was. I come to the wee group in Jamaica Street, and I would really miss it on a Tuesday. And I get out and about in my wee scooter at times too. Still a wee bit backward at doing things, but I'm getting there eventually. And keeping your wee bit of independence and maybe getting a wee bit more.
Well, that friend Hamish,
yep.
I think he comes to here. But I never took much notice, I'll be honest. To actually you'd come up to the house and you'd explained everything. You'd really explained everything, and that was something good for me.
Did it give you some motivation?
Oh, aye, definitely.
Good.
Well, my daughter was in America and she looked up Facebook and then she phoned me and told me to go out the house. And I went, where the hell will I go? She says, I'll find out for the voice, and found.
Good.
Well, it was you and Pam that came,
Rose.
and that was it.
Great.
And it's been great since.
Well, you go with trips and different things like that, and you're in the route and they're all talking and
They talk about everything, don't they?
aye, that's
Is
what I
that
like
a
about
specific group that you go to now then?
Aye, it's
Thursday.
a whole thing with group.
What's it called? The Best Friends group? Is that
Aye,
it?
best friend, aye.
And you go to that at what?
On a Thursday.
On a Thursday?
Aye, say 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock or something like that.
And what sort of things do you do?
Just talk. And then we made flowers, mine we make flowers and that. And mine was great right up to last week. They started feeding away. So I'll need to go out and buy some more.
You get out and about and everybody's that friendly, aren't they?
So they are.
You're just sitting and you're having a laugh. And you speak about different things, but it doesn't involve anybody. It's things that you can have a laugh with.
Aye. Sometimes if you meet them in the street, that's it. They know who you are and they talk about you and things like that, and what you're doing and what you're not doing.
And does it give you something to look forward to?
Aye, on a Thursday. Aye, I look forward to
So
it.
do you organise your week looking up to that, going out on a Thursday?
They're all great in there. No matter what
it's
happens.
a day.
Always there for helping.
Well, good on you. Thanks a lot. And long may it continue. Thanks a lot.
Can't read this well.
Have you made new friends?
Yes.
Yeah, and are you enjoying it?
Yes.
You're a bit reluctant to speak.